Check. Thought I made it known, I wonder why they cannot see. I got good intentions, it was just a bad idea. All these ups and downs come around, this shit makes up my life. This shit makes up my life, yeah. If she says she's hungry, then it's probably dick I'll feed. Bitch, I fuck with you so much, I climb the Burj Khalifa. I got too much pride, too much envy. Yes, I got my fucking vices. Yes, I got my fucking vices. Yeah. Ever since the start, there was just one thing that I said. I would never let this find a way into my head. I just fight, I don't want it, but it's nice. Fuck it, run it. What's the price? What's the motherfucking price? Yeah. We came from the block, there was no way we could have said. So all this money that I spent, what the fuck did you expect? Bitch, I see it, then I want it, so I get it. I don't got no damn regret. I don't got no damn regret. Yeah. Every day that passes, it's another thing I lose. Overwork myself until I blow the fucking fuse. Now I'm running off, ain't run far enough. This shit hurts me, so I'm signing off. Hey, shit, let's go. I go where I want, I don't pay no fucking fee. They just wanna roll with me, I guess it's a place to be. Dot my eyes and cross my T's, I don't let nobody get this shit for free. Running through these motherfucking hoes, they be tryna move the goalposts. Ask me what's her name, what I look like, bitch, I don't know. I need time alone, I be driving around solo. Papa scrape the motherfucking ground, cause it's so low. She said she wanna lick, don't wanna fuck, I'm a no-show. At that bitch in Soho, face pretty, ass so-so. Go back 15 years, we would buy shoes at Globo. Now this my reality, I drive around the whole globe. It don't make no sense.
Try to take me down, they did not succeed, and they miss me now. They miss me now.
Out by 16 are dead missing together forever.
Check. Thought I made it known, I wonder why they cannot see. I got good intentions, it was just a bad idea. All these ups and downs come around, this shit makes up my life. This shit makes up my life, yeah.